Gentlemen, what if I told you that something as ordinary as olive oil, the same bottle sitting in your kitchen right now, could become one of the most powerful natural testosterone boosters when combined with a few everyday ingredients? No risky pills, no overpriced supplements, no complicated diets. Just a simple science-backed mixture you can make at home in less than 5 minutes. I know it sounds almost too good to be true, but stay with me because in this video, I'll show you exactly how this works. The 4 ingredients you'll want to combine with olive oil and the best time to take it to maximize results. And here's a quick curiosity hook for you. By the time we get to the last ingredient, you'll see how this mixture doesn't just support testosterone. It can also improve blood flow, strengthen your erections, and even protect your prostate. Before we dive in, let me ask, where are you watching from? Drop your country or city in the comments. I love seeing men from all around the world connecting here. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on natural doctor-approved tips to keep you strong, healthy, and confident. Now, a lot of men believe testosterone decline is just an unavoidable punishment of aging. You hit 50, then 60, and the energy, drive, and performance you once had simply fade away. But that's not the full truth. Yes, testosterone naturally drops by about 1% per year after 50. But research shows that lifestyle and nutrition play a massive role in how quickly or how slowly that decline happens. The difference between a man who feels like he's over the hill and a man who's still full of strength and drive at 70 often comes down to daily choices. What he eats, how he manages stress, and how he fuels his body. And this is where olive oil and the natural combination I'll reveal comes into play. For those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Nora Hayes. I'm a urologist and men's health specialist. And for the past 7 years, I've helped men restore their vitality, protect their prostate, and reignite their confidence in and out of the bedroom. What I've learned is this: you don't need a prescription bottle to feel like yourself again. You need to work with your body, not against it. And often the answers are hiding in plain sight in the foods and spices that have supported men's health for centuries. So let's walk through the 4 natural boosters you can mix with olive oil to supercharge testosterone. Ingredient number 1, garlic, the stress shield. Now this one surprises most men. Garlic? Really? Yes. Because garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin, which only forms when you crush or chop a fresh clove. Allicin works like a shield against one of testosterone's biggest enemies, cortisol, the stress hormone. Biologically, cortisol and testosterone compete in your body. The higher your cortisol, the lower your testosterone. And for most men over 50, stress, whether from work, family, or health, keeps cortisol levels higher than they should be. Garlic helps lower cortisol, giving testosterone room to rise. Emotionally, this means less fatigue, less irritability, and more calm confidence. Practically, it also means better blood circulation. Garlic makes your arteries more flexible, improving oxygen flow throughout your body, including to your pelvic region. And gentlemen, better blood flow means firmer, more reliable erections. Here's the secret. Always crush or chop garlic and let it rest for 10 minutes before mixing it into olive oil. That rest period activates the allicin and makes it far more potent. Ingredient number 2, fresh lemon juice, the cleanser. Let me ask you, do you ever feel sluggish after eating or notice your energy crashing in the afternoon? Often that's due to blood, sugar swings, and oxidative stress, both of which sabotage testosterone. Enter lemon juice. Packed with vitamin C, lemon protects your testosterone-producing cells from free radical damage. It also helps stabilize blood sugar, keeping your hormones balanced instead of swinging up and down. Biologically, vitamin C even boosts nitric oxide production, the very compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Emotionally, this translates to steadier energy, a lighter mood, and less irritability. Practically, it means stronger performance and fewer off days. And here's a fascinating twist. When combined with olive oil, the healthy fats actually enhance your absorption of vitamin C, making the benefits even stronger. Just a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice is enough. Ingredient number 3, ginger, the fire starter. Now here's one of my personal favorites, ginger. For centuries, ginger was used in traditional medicine as a vitality booster. And now modern science confirms it. Research shows ginger can raise testosterone levels by as much as 17% in some men, especially those struggling with fertility issues. Biologically, ginger reduces inflammation in the testes where testosterone is produced. It improves blood sugar control and enhances circulation directly to those hormone-producing cells. Emotionally, men report feeling a spark returning. More energy, more motivation, more natural desire. Practically, ginger adds a bold, earthy flavor to the olive oil mix. And all it takes is half a teaspoon of freshly grated root or a good quality powder. Ingredient number 4, turmeric with black pepper, the inflammation killer. You've probably heard of turmeric before, the golden spice used in curries. Its active compound, curcumin, is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories on earth. And here's why that matters. Chronic low-level inflammation quietly destroys testosterone production. It stresses the testes, disrupts hormone balance, and accelerates decline. Curcumin helps calm this fire. But here's the catch. It's poorly absorbed on its own. That's why you must combine it with black pepper, which boosts absorption by over 2000%. Biologically, this combo reduces systemic inflammation, balances hormones, and protects the cells that make testosterone. Emotionally, this means fewer aches, clearer thinking, and a lighter, more youthful mood. Practically, it's just a pinch of turmeric with a dash of pepper stirred into your olive oil mix. So let's put this all together into one simple evening ritual. Start with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, the good cold rest kind. Add 1 crushed garlic clove, rested 10 minutes. Mix in 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Stir in half a teaspoon of ginger, grated or powdered. Add a pinch of turmeric with a dash of black pepper. Mix thoroughly. You can take it straight as a quick shot before dinner. Drizzle it over vegetables or even use it as a dipping oil for bread. The best time to take this mixture evening. Ideally, with your dinner. Why? Because testosterone production peaks overnight while you sleep. By fueling your body before bed, you're giving it the building blocks and protection it needs to maximize hormone release. Stay consistent. Within a few weeks, most men notice subtle but powerful changes. Stronger energy, firmer performance, and a confidence that feels natural again. Now, I know what some of you may be thinking. Dr. Hayes, I'm already in my 60s. Yeah, maybe my best days are behind me. Let me reassure you, they're not. I've seen men in their late 60s, even early 70s, experience renewed vitality just by making small, consistent changes like this. Your body isn't broken. It simply needs the right fuel, the right care, and the right balance. You're not powerless, and you're not past your prime, gentleman. Boosting testosterone naturally is not about gimmicks or miracle pills. It's about honoring your body with what it truly needs. Olive oil combined with garlic, lemon, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper is one of the simplest, safest, and most effective tools you can use to reclaim your strength, drive, and vitality. So here's my challenge. Commit to trying this mixture every evening for the next 30 days. Pair it with good sleep, daily movement, and a little stress reduction. Give your body 1 month of consistent support, and I promise you will feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Together, we can spread the word that aging does not mean giving up on vitality. This is Dr. Nora Hayes reminding you your age does not define you. With the right choices, the best years of energy, confidence, and strength are still ahead. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next